Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy and fun Pom Pom Coaster. This is really cool and it looks amazing. Let's get started. First, you'll need pom-poms and a hot glue gun. You can also replace it for fabric glue. Next, sort out your pom-poms by color. This will make it easier. Since I'm making a rainbow pom-pom, I have all the colors of the rainbow. Separate them into groups. Now, set out your pom-poms into a line. Repeat the pattern until you have enough. You can make a small coaster or a really wide one. It depends on how many pom-poms you add in. Arrange them just like this. Now hot glue them in a line. As you can see, I've added a few more pom-poms than I originally shown. Remember, the more you add, the wider your coaster will be. You can always add more later, even after you've already made the coaster. This pom-pom line already looks really cool, but the coaster is not complete. First, take the first pom-pom that you added and put the rest to the side. Now, twirl it up just like this. It'll create a spiral. Now, take a hot glue gun and glue random places. Make sure you do the bottom and the top. The coaster looks so cool. It adds a bright pop of color and it is incredibly soft. Because it's made out of pom-poms, it's almost like a pillow for your mug. This is what the coaster looks like with a mug on it. As you can see, it's super colorful and can brighten an entire room. It looks and feels amazing. Make sure you choose the perfect mug so that it's not too big or too small for your coaster. Like I mentioned earlier, it looks so good and it feels so soft. With all the pom-poms squished together, it makes the effect even better. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!